the most important relationship in your estate planning journey. You've done the hard part. You've chosen an estate planning attorney. But now what? How do you make the most of this partnership to ensure your legacy, your family, and your future are protected? Estate planning isn't just about signing papers and hoping for the best. It's about strategy, foresight, and collaboration. The right attorney doesn't just draft documents. They help you navigate life's changes, minimize risks, and create a plan that truly reflects your wishes. In this video, we're diving into how to work effectively with your estate planning attorney to build a customized plan. Keep it updated and make sure your assets are passed on exactly as you intend. Whether you're just starting out or refining an existing plan, this guide will help you take control of your financial future with confidence. Let's get started. Collaborating with your attorney to create a customized estate plan. Collaborating with your attorney to create a customized estate plan is a crucial step in ensuring that your wishes are carried out effectively and efficiently. By working closely with your estate planning attorney, you can tailor your plan to meet your specific needs and goals, as well as address any unique circumstances or concerns you may have. 1. Initial consultation. The process typically begins with an initial consultation with your estate planning attorney. During this meeting, you will have the opportunity to discuss your objectives, assets, family dynamics, and any special considerations that may impact your estate plan. 2. Understanding your goals. Your attorney will take the time to understand your goals and priorities when it comes to your estate plan. Whether you are focused on minimizing estate taxes, protecting your assets, providing for your loved ones, or supporting charitable causes, your attorney will work with you to develop a plan that reflects your wishes. 3. Assessing your assets. Your attorney will help you take stock of your assets and liabilities to ensure that all of your property is accounted for in your estate plan. This may include your home, investments, retirement accounts, business interests, and personal belongings. 4. Designing the plan. Based on your goals and assets, your attorney will design a customized estate plan that may include a will, trust, powers of attorney, healthcare directives, and other legal documents. Your attorney will explain the purpose and function of each component of the plan and how they work together to achieve your objectives. 5. Review and revision. It is important to review your estate plan regularly, especially when major life events occur, such as marriages, births, deaths, or changes in financial circumstances. Your attorney can help you make any necessary revisions to ensure that your plan remains up to date and continues to reflect your wishes. 6. Communication and collaboration. Throughout the process of creating your estate plan, open communication and collaboration with your attorney are key. Be sure to ask questions, provide feedback, and share any concerns you may have so that your attorney can make adjustments as needed. 7. Finalizing the plan. Once your estate plan is complete, your attorney will guide you through the process of signing and executing the necessary documents. Your attorney will also help you coordinate the transfer of assets into trusts, update beneficiary designations, and take any other steps necessary to implement your plan. By collaborating with your estate planning attorney to create a customized estate plan, you can have peace of mind knowing that your wishes will be carried out as intended and that your loved ones will be provided for according to your wishes. Reviewing and updating your estate plan as needed. Reviewing and updating your estate plan regularly is a crucial aspect of ensuring that your wishes are accurately reflected and that your assets are distributed according to your desires. Life is constantly changing, and your estate plan should evolve with it. Here are some key considerations to keep in mind when reviewing and updating your estate plan. Changes in personal circumstances. Life events such as marriage, divorce, the birth or adoption of a child, or the death of a family member can all have a significant impact on your estate plan. Review your plan to ensure that it still aligns with your current situation and wishes. 2. Changes in financial situation. Significant changes in your financial situation, such as receiving an inheritance, buying or selling property, or starting a new business, may require adjustments to your estate plan to ensure that your assets are distributed appropriately. 3. Changes in laws and regulations. Estate planning laws are subject to change, and what may have been a sound strategy when you initially created your plan may no longer be the best option. Regularly review your estate plan with an attorney to ensure that it complies with current laws and regulations. 4. Changes in health. If you or a loved one experiences a decline in health or becomes incapacitated, it may be necessary to update your estate plan to include provisions for medical care, long-term care, and the management of your assets in the event of incapacity. 5. Beneficiary designations. Review the beneficiary designations on your retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and other assets to ensure that they align with your current wishes and estate plan. These designations supersede any instructions in your will or trust. 6. Guardianship and trustee designations. If you have named guardians for minor children or trustees to manage assets on behalf of beneficiaries, review these designations periodically to ensure that they are still appropriate choices. 7. Digital assets. In today's digital age, it is important to consider how your digital assets, such as online accounts and cryptocurrencies, will be managed and distributed after your death. Update your estate plan to include provisions for these assets. By reviewing and updating your estate plan regularly, you can ensure that your wishes are accurately reflected, minimize the potential for disputes among your heirs, and provide peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. Consult with an experienced estate planning attorney to help you navigate the complexities of estate planning and make informed decisions about updating your plan as needed. Communicating changes in your life. Circumstances to your attorney. One of the most critical aspects of working with an estate planning attorney is maintaining open communication, especially when there are changes in your life circumstances. Keeping your attorney informed about significant life events ensures that your estate plan remains up to date and aligned with your current wishes. Here are some key points to consider when communicating changes in your life circumstances to your attorney. 1. Marriage, divorce, or remarriage. If you get married, divorced, or remarried, it is essential to update your estate plan to reflect your new marital status. This may involve revising beneficiary designations, updating your will or trust, and making any necessary changes to powers of attorney or healthcare directives. 2. Birth or adoption of children. The arrival of a new child through birth or adoption is a joyous occasion that should prompt a review of your estate plan. You may need to designate guardians for your minor children, establish trusts for their benefit, and update your beneficiaries accordingly. 3. Changes in financial situation. Significant changes in your financial circumstances, such as receiving an inheritance, starting a new business, or experiencing a substantial increase or decrease in assets, should be communicated to your attorney. This information can help ensure that your estate plan continues to meet your financial goals and objectives. 4. Relocation. If you move to a new state or country, it is important to review your estate plan with your attorney to ensure that it complies with the laws of your new jurisdiction. Estate planning laws vary by location, and updating your plan accordingly can help avoid potential complications in the future. 5. Health issues or disability. If you or a loved one experience a decline in health or become disabled, it is crucial to communicate these changes to your attorney. Updating your powers of attorney and healthcare directives can ensure that your wishes are followed in the event of incapacity. 6. Changes in relationships. Changes in relationships with family members or other beneficiaries may warrant a review of your estate plan. If you wish to remove or add someone as a beneficiary, trustee, or executor, it is important to discuss these changes with your attorney. By proactively communicating changes in your life circumstances to your estate planning attorney, you can ensure that your estate plan remains current, relevant, and reflective of your wishes. Regular reviews and updates to your plan can provide peace of mind, knowing that your assets will be distributed according to your intentions. Understanding the role of your attorney in executing your estate plan. Once you have chosen the right estate planning attorney to assist you in creating and managing your estate plan, it is essential to understand the crucial role that your attorney will play in executing your plan effectively. Your attorney will act as a guide and legal expert throughout the process, ensuring that your wishes are accurately reflected in your estate planning documents and that your assets are protected and distributed according to your desires. 1. Legal expertise and guidance. Your estate planning attorney will have the necessary legal expertise to navigate the complex laws and regulations surrounding estate planning. They will provide you with guidance on the various options available to you, such as wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives, and help you make informed decisions based on your unique circumstances and goals. 2. 2. Drafting and reviewing documents. One of the primary responsibilities of your attorney is to draft and review all the necessary legal documents that make up your estate plan. This includes your will, trust agreements, beneficiary designations, and any other relevant documents. Your attorney will ensure that these documents accurately reflect your wishes and comply with state laws to avoid any potential legal challenges in the future. 3. Asset protection and distribution. Your attorney will work with you to develop a comprehensive plan for protecting and distributing your assets upon your death or incapacity. They will help you identify key assets, such as real estate, investments, retirement accounts, and personal property, and establish mechanisms to transfer these assets to your chosen beneficiaries efficiently and tax-effectively. 4. Updating and maintenance. Estate planning is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process that requires regular review and updates to reflect changes in your life circumstances, tax laws, and financial situation. Your attorney will advise you on when and how to update your estate plan to ensure that it remains current and aligned with your goals. 5. Executor and trustee duties. In addition to helping you create your estate plan, your attorney can also serve as the executor of your will or trustee of your trust if you choose to appoint them. These roles involve administering your estate, managing assets, paying debts and taxes, and distributing property to beneficiaries according to your instructions. Understanding the role of your estate planning attorney is essential for ensuring the successful execution of your estate plan. By working closely with your attorney and following their guidance, you can create a comprehensive plan that protects your assets, provides for your loved ones, and gives you peace of mind knowing that your wishes will be carried out according to your intentions. Your legacy, your peace of mind. Estate planning isn't just about documents. It's about protecting everything you've worked for, the people you love, and the legacy you'll leave behind. By working closely with your attorney, you're doing more than just planning for the future. You're taking control of it. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your family won't be burdened with uncertainty. Your wishes will be honored, and your hard-earned assets will go exactly where you intend. Imagine the relief your loved ones will feel, knowing that every detail has been thoughtfully prepared. Your estate plan is a gift of clarity, security, and love. And by choosing the right attorney and maintaining an open, ongoing relationship, you ensure that your plan grows and evolves alongside your life. So take the time, have the conversations, ask the questions, because the future isn't just something that happens, it's something you shape. Your legacy starts today.